realized that like best before date and expiry date are not the same thing. Best before just means that you must have the food before that, but even if you have it after, it's okay. It's just that it won't be in the best quality. Expiry date means that it's spoiled. Am I the only one that has realized this? Hey guys, so I'm about to install, this is the wig I'm installing. Don't ask me why it's in such a bad state. I didn't like unstyle it or whatever when I took it off. It has a bit of glue here, so I don't know, but I'm just gonna install this wig right now. I'm gonna do a time lapse because I'm not gonna be talking to you guys in the meantime while I do it, okay? To install, I think I'm gonna install the rest of the video on TikTok, so I'll install there and then I'll come back and show you all the results. So I'm taking a break. Meanwhile, while I'm melting, I'm gonna do my lashes because girl is not wasting time. When I come back here, I'm gonna look so fine. I think I'm gonna do my lashes on here because I don't want to do it on TikTok. I'm editing enough videos as is. I don't want to increase the amount of videos I'm editing. Oh, my ears. Oh, Lord. Oh, no. So far, this is what the lace is giving. It's very much melted. I just need to blend it into my scalp, and that's all. I'm done. Nails, check. Hair, check. Face, pretty. Wait, guys, can you believe everything I did myself, like from my toes to my hands? And I'm giving, right? Don't lie, show me the lace. I'm joking, I can see the laces here, but like I think I did good because look the side. You can't tell me that's not giving scalp. Like, don't play with her. Okay guys, look how pretty this shirt is. I'm wearing it home. Like, I have it in the hoops now. I don't know, do you guys think I should put it in these holes here? I won't. I'm just gonna tie a cute ass bow. Isn't it cute? I love this shirt. I had forgotten about it. So, this is my outfit for going home. Ain't it pretty? Don't I look pretty? Body mist everywhere. Because what do you mean? You have to smell sweets because we look sweet. Right? I'm not sure what shoes I'm gonna wear yet, but am I not giving? This is the last look of my room. Very soon you guys will be seeing vlogs from elsewhere because I won't be here anymore. Yo, that's ngingakhala. But you know what? Woo-hoo! Bye-bye to my room. We're leaving. It's finally time to go home now. So talk to y'all when I arrive home.
You serious for your 30 days of vlog thing?
Yes, I'm very serious. Home, just arrived. I'm so tired. Oh God. Imagine if I was a DJ, wouldn't I eat? Look. Y'all know I am back home now, and this is gonna be the end of the vlog, guys. If you enjoyed the vlog and you watched it all the way, say Tato wow. Wow. Wow what? Say Tato wow. No, say Tato. I can't think of anything, but in the meantime, please like, subscribe, and comment. Tato, your eyelashes are skew. That's the best I can say. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much. See you in the next one.